how can I start an online business while working a 9 to 5? I get it. Between work, family, and bills, it's overwhelming. That is why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build your dream business while still working a full-time job. It's not only possible, but many people have done it successfully. Now you might be wondering, why should you listen to me? Well, I've been exactly where you are. I worked a full-time job while building my own online business, so I know how tough it can feel. And I'm part of a community of over 47,000 people who are making it happen while working a 9 to 5, and they're able to quit their job and pursue their business full-time. So yes, I found a way to make it work, and I'm here to share everything with you. So let's get into it. Now first, let's start looking at real-time examples of well-known companies that was built with people who started building their business while working a full-time job. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon was founded by Jeff, who started Amazon as an online bookstore while working a full-time job at a financial company. He built Amazon in his garage during nights and weekends, and he didn't quit his job until Amazon started bringing in money. And now Amazon is one of the largest companies on the planet. Let's take a look at Facebook. Mark started Facebook in his dorm while attending Harvard University. He was able to balance his studies and his new business. His side hustle grew over time, and now Facebook is also one of the biggest companies in the world. These are just few examples of many successful businesses where the founders started while working their full-time job and used their full-time job to build their business step by step, just like you can. Now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, what's your dream business? A blog or an online store? Let me know in the comment because I would love to help you get started. Now next, you need to understand why it's actually smarter to start your online business on the side while working your full-time job. See, starting part-time means you get to test your ideas with little risk. If your business doesn't work out, you still have your job to fall back on. But you need to be very careful not to treat your business as hobbies. Treat your business as a business. Not only that, having a job means you won't have the pressure of having to make money from your business immediately. You can work at your own pace without worrying about the bills. And sometimes your jobs can actually help you. For example, if you work in marketing or sales, you can use those skills to promote your business online. So starting your business while working means you have more time to make sure your idea will work while protecting yourself from financial stress. Now, let's talk about how you can use your job to fund your business. You can start by saving part of your paycheck. It's very simple. You can take a portion of your paycheck. You can even put it in a different bank account specifically saved for your business, and you can use it to purchase tools or materials you need for your business, or even for websites that you need to host your business online. Some companies offer benefits that can help you learn skills to build your business and offer discounts on services that can help you cut down costs on building your business. So yes, using your 9 to 5 job to fund your business gives you a lot of flexibility and allows you to grow your business slowly and steadily. Now, if you're already finding this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss out on more useful tips like these. Now let's get going. Now, when you are balancing job and a business, time management is crucial. You can block out specific time for your business, whether if it's 30 minutes in the morning or 1 hour at nighttime. Staying consistent will help you make steady progress. Also, communicate with your family and friends. Let your loved one know when you've set aside time time for your business. This helps minimize interruption and allow you to stay focused without distraction. Their support and understanding will make a big difference. You can also use free moments like when you have your break, any downtime. You can use it to do business research, create content, or respond to your customers online. Small actions adds up over time. Now I'm going to show you a tool that is free and you can use it to help you save time, help you focus on specific tasks that will help your business grow. And not only that, help you stay organized and avoid burnout. You already have a job and adding on a business can be overwhelming, but proper time management can help you stay on track while protecting your mental and physical well-being. So here is the tool. This is very easy, user-friendly. Like I said, it's free. You can use this tool to organize tasks. You can rename it to however you want. And this tool, you can be able to move them according to what phase your business is going through, which actually helps you see where your business is at. So check it out. It is asana.com. It's a free app. The link is going to be on the description below for you to check out. Now that you have the tools to be able to manage time, you also need to understand that you need to start small and gradually grow from there. That way you are not overwhelmed. Start by focusing on just one thing, one product, one social media. Test it and improve, and you can ask customers for feedback. And as your business grows, you then can expand. You can expand. Just take it one step at a time. But always remember, be consistent. Consistent is the key for your success for your business. Now that you learned that you can start an online business while working a full-time job, you have learned how to manage your time, how to prioritize tasks, and a tool that can help you prioritize tasks so that you can remain organized and not be overwhelmed and burned out. Now, remember, you don't have to quit your job to follow your dreams. With time and patience and a solid plan, you can build your business while keeping a 9-to-5. If you found this video helpful, I'm sure that my next video will help you even more. In my next video, we're going to address if you're struggling with finding the best business idea to start even as a beginner. I will break it down for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So make sure you check it out after this one. And again, if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me what your first step will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.